Have you noticed these incredibly satisfying layered paper craft videos that keeps getting millions of views? The best part is that you don't need to be a professional to create these videos anymore. With the right AI tools and prompts, you can produce stunning paper craft content that people will love to watch on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. This niche has huge potential because it's visually satisfying, highly shareable, and opens up multiple streams of income from monetization, ads revenue, and brand sponsorship deals to affiliate marketing, digital templates, and even selling your own paper craft design. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Susan, and if you're passionate about using AI to create viral content and discover profitable content ideas, you're in the right place. Before we begin, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials and content ideas. So if this is what you want, let's jump straight into the video. And please check the description of this video to get the prompts for you to start creating yours. Let's go. So the first thing you have to do is to copy your prompts, check in the description for that, then you paste it in ChatGPT and click on go. So it's going to give you some of the concepts you can choose from. Okay, so you can go through this concept and choose from any of them, but if you don't like any of the ideas here, you can click on, you can just type in here more ideas. Okay, you can just type in more ideas and it's going to bring out so many other ideas for you to choose from. Okay, so I'm going for this butterfly queen's garden. So I'm copying the storyboard prompt now. So let's just copy this. You have to copy everything and stop at where the video prompt starts. You have to copy the storyboard image, the prompt first, then you head over to Gemini. This is Google Gemini, to paste the prompt there and hit on go. So as you can see, it's generating the image. Okay, so we are just going to give you few seconds to generate the image. Voila, and here we are. Look at the amazing creativity it shows here. So this is our storyboard. Just download it, click on the download button, and it's going to save directly to your phone's gallery. So we have to head over to copy the video prompt now from ChatGPT. This is the video prompt. All you have to do is to copy these video prompts now. Copy everything from start to finish. Then you head over to Flow AI. Just tap and type in your browser, Google browser, any browser you have, and head over to Flow AI. So when Flow AI interface opens, this is it. Then you click on new projects. Okay, click on new projects. You click on upload media. Then I'm going to choose the picture we just generated. So when this interface comes up, just click on add prompt. Then I'm going to paste my prompt now, the prompts I copied from ChatGPT, and hit generate. This is just a easy step-by-step guide. And please, before you hit generate, make sure you set your aspect ratio. Make sure the video model is on Omni Flash, and as you can see, our video has started generating. So let's see what the outcome is. Guys, just take a look at this. Take a look at this beauty. It came out clean and good and very, very, very beautiful. So this is actually monetizable on all platforms. So just download it and start posting. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you and bye.